Hey plumbers, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my 2 kids the plumbing trade. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. That's for damn sure. And for today's adventure, I'm on my way to a basement leak, a water leak. Have no idea what it is, but stay tuned and we'll see you there. We got a slow leak right here. You see it, right? Right here. It used to be stuck in that pipe. Okay? So, it's leaking right behind here. Right here. Boom, boom. Oh, yeah. The old pipe, the old screw in the pipe, folks. Look at this. It's a gas nipple, piece of 3/4, and I'll show you when we get. Oh, here we go. It's gonna play hard to get on me, right? Damn it! You got to be kidding me. You thought it'd be easy, right? Damn it! Do it the hard way here, folks. We gotta cut it out. So I'm gonna cut it right here on the vertical. Alright. And we cut it right here. So look, there's the screw in the pipe that just started to leak. Done. Give me a piece, 6 1/4. One more piece, we're going to call that 4 1/2. 4 1/2. Boom, beautiful. Okay. Now, There you go, folks. The old secret nail in the pipe. I once had a nail in the pipe where, excuse me, a nail in a 1-inch galvanized water main that never leaked until the whole nail actually rotted out and started dripping like this one. So that screw, just like that one on copper, the screw went in the pipe so tight that it wasn't leaking. Eventually the screw rusted out and we got a leak. Same thing happened on a galvanized line, which you know how hard galvanized is, but in the end we got it done. The water's back on, and there goes Angelo. What do we got? He's got a wave, and there goes another satisfied customer. Have a great weekend, everybody. See you at the next one.